Alright guys, today I am unboxing this Lotus Biscoff. These are on sale, and there's like 300 of them, so I first tried these on an air can of like a long time ago actually, but they were actually pretty decent, and they actually are vegan, so but we're gonna do a quick look at this. So this box is pretty big, but like I said, they were just selling them like crazy, so. Alright, so here it is. Here's the ingredients there. It does contain soy, so beware of that, and flour right there. But there's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. And let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so it's all individually wrapped, which is cool. That's a lot, so. But let's open the one up. So I got one out of there. That's what it looks like. Individually wrapped. Okay, so let's do a quick taste test. So it's like a cookie, slightly sweet, and has a nice cinnamon taste to it. That's about it, guys. It's pretty good, so if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe if you found.